I just wanted to ask: are we seeing more NGOs moving into the business sector? Because NGOs are the only ones who have a knowledge of that demographic, the bottom of the pyramid. So, are we seeing a lot of NGOs move into the private sector, like your NGO seems to be doing partly? And is that a good thing?
So there are two things happening. Not only that NGOs are gradually realizing that there is an opportunity to do scaled up work, but they are also seeing there's no option, because the companies are not tuned to the local requirement or the requirement in the area that they think there is an opportunity or there is a need. That's one. Not only that, you must be seeing that because the corporates do not know, or the private sector do not know how to work in the bottom of the pyramid, they are also creating foundations, they are also creating NGOs to link properly.
Right.
So with all good intention, I hope not only that NGOs are trying to make companies to target the social sector as a sustainable, profitable and sustainable, not profiteering, but
Right.
sustainable, equitably sustainable and scaled up venture, but even the private sector is trying to invest in the area of creating their CSR part into a different foundation or a separate foundation, who can then work with NGOs to understand the local things and understand how to work in that area, so that they can work better. I'm saying from the well-intended people.
Correct.
There could always be bad intention among the NGOs.
Sure.
Also to create company to make profit, bad intention among the companies also to penetrate in the social sector through their foundation with all the wrong intention. But I'm saying in terms of positivity. Thirdly, not only that, even the government, you must have seen in the last 20 years, the number of companies that the government is making and number of Section 25 companies that the government is making and the societies are making is innumerable.
Right.
Because they themselves found that working themselves bureaucratically was becoming difficult. Bureaucrats themselves suffer their own bureaucracy or the system that they have implemented, and because of which, if they are well intended, they see that there is a huge amount of bottlenecks for implementing various schemes. So they have created in the same department, ministry or department, you will find 4, 5, 6 companies. In the Ministry of IT, there are 15, 20 Section 25 companies or societies.
Like the smart governance.
NISG, there are one OKC is just made. I mean, there are many.
Right.
And I'm saying with good intentions, because then allocate the fund, keep them liberal, they are going to do the things well. So it's not only at NGO sector. NGOs are expanding on going to scale up with the help of the private sector mode. Companies are learning how to create how to understand social sector by creating foundations and NGOs, and the government is trying to learn the mode of efficiency for implementability by creating Section 25 companies and societies.
I see. That's very interesting. The point you made about companies creating foundations is very fascinating, because typically one thinks companies create foundations to do good or to do philanthropy, but you pointed out that those NGO arms of companies can actually provide valuable strategic information to companies.
Absolutely.
For their business.
Absolutely.
But that kind of link, is that link being established in companies? Because if that link is established, then well-meaning companies would have a double incentive to create such foundations, and it would be a fillip to the NGO sector. Is that link being established from the foundation to the core business of the company?
I would say yes. I don't have too many examples, but I work with Vodafone Foundation and Vodafone. I work with Intel Foundation and Intel. I have seen what NIIT Foundation and NIIT is doing. And there are many in the making that I know. I would not like to take a name, but I know that they are investing in that area. And in most of these cases, what I have seen is that they are genuinely trying to understand that area.
I see.
That area properly. So not only that they are trying to use their own arm, but they are also, it's easy for them to work with NGOs like us or organizations like us, because we as a foundation cannot take a commercial money. So it becomes very easy for me to work with their foundation.
Right.
And they also understand, I also understand, there is no issue on the regulations, and they also learn through it, because I cannot take money as a commercial order from Intel as a company, So if Intel genuinely wants to understand how all the rural school wants to implement ICT in that area and they want to work with us, it becomes very easy to work foundation to foundation. You know?
Right.
It becomes very easy, and they
Right.
all have good intention. You know, I also want to know that whether computer is playing a role of pedagogy or not,
Right.
or it is a tool that is just for access to information.
Right.
So I would say yes, but it is going to take time. But it may be done in a hurry, in much better way because of the government's regulation of 2% CSR. You know,
I see.
so that can encourage such
Mhm,
companies,
mhm,
even the private companies of Indian origin also can go into that area to might as well create a small entity out of those 2%, because those 2% can be very big amount for big corporations or big organizations.
Right.
you
Right.
know?
Right.
So I have a lot of hope in that area.
I